Hey, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop in front of a new part, our 4065 shock tower brace that fits 1964 to 1972 A-body, El-Caminos and station wagons. Our regular tubular shock tower braces are wildly popular. We weld a ton of them, but this is a solution that helps with the El-Camino and the station wagon. It's laser cut, CNC broke, so it's nice and stiff. It fits like this on the vehicle, so it clears the bed rails and the floor pan. It's great for coilover or even standard spring applications. Stiffens up that rear section and just makes for a nice product in general. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.